Good morning, guys. I'm early today. Actually, I'm early every day because I used to do my babu's lunch very early because baby have a appointment at the radiology. The doctor is asking her to have an ultrasound on the hips just to make sure everything is all right there, because most of the premature babies have something wrong with the hips. So to detect it earlier, we're doing it today at 8:30. So we're going there. I hope it's not crazy in the road today, because yesterday have a big snowstorm. Let's go and check outside how crazy is it outside. This is what I like about having snow, because in the morning when I wake up, it's like everything is white and the trees are look so amazingly white. But once the sun is up, normally the snow in the trees will melt if the sun will shine there. Oh, so beautiful. It looks like magic. We are now going to the doctor, guys. Here, can you see that? The aftermath of this incident. OMG, he was cleaning the car. We cleaned our car already last night. See that? Oh my god! It's like we need to go to the doctor. Okay. It's already go inside. Over there, they're cleaning the car. Over here, they're cleaning the car. Over here, it's cleaning the car in the middle of the road. Now I see people here. We are going now. See people cleaning their cars. Now then you see people outside. Normally in this place, very seldom you see people outside. Now they could go out. We are going now to the baby's hip ultrasound. Ooh, see that, guys? See that? Ooh, Winter Wonderland. So, how about the lake? We're going to the lake. See? Oh, Babu, the lake is not full of ice, snow. How come, Bo? Huh? Let's make hello, guys. Free ice, freshly shaved ice. The snow is more fine than the shaved ice that we use for hello. It's more fine. It's like very fine rain. How I wish the beach is like this one, like this kind of. How the beach sand is like this kind of white, Clean. So beautiful, but I know it's difficult to drive because when you step the brake will not really stick right, Bo? Baby's here. Hi, baby. Be careful when you're driving the highway. Tanya is busy now.
Maybe yesterday.
Yesterday.
He has like this.
Oh, they have a machine.
He has a machine like this.
Machine. Yeah, because if you have like very long driveway, how can you?
You make it short.
Don't want any more? No? We are waiting for the man to come here. It seems like baby's enjoying herself. Bed. No complaints yet. We're here in the radiology room. Hi baby. Are you okay? We are done with her ultrasound and now we are waiting for the Uber. I'll just take the Uber because Babu is going to work. Babu just bring us to the here in the hospital and he go straight to the work and that's why we just take Uber. It's coming now, but let's see. The ride is very rough today. It's still the snow and okay, see you later. Right now we are waiting for the Uber. Our car still need 5 minutes, so we come back inside because it's so cold outside. Still in the hospital. There's the reception. Hi baby. She's finishing her milk. Just got back home and so crazy outside, so messy. The road is like very messy. But you see the snow at the back, it's like so thick. I want to dive in, but I can't play now because I have a lot of work to do. See? And the thing is, the news is there's going to be a lot more snow in the next 3 days. Oh my god, let's see what's going to happen. Hi baby.